Check out this 2011 GMC Yukon SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include aluminum wheels, engine immobilizer, rear AC, rear seat audio controls, power mirror, rear reading lamps, rear bench seat, MP3 player, and pass-through rear seat. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.